Hi, I thought I'd go over just briefly something that I demonstrated a while back. It's a feature of NinjaTrader that actually allows you to download and replay market data. And I think that this is a really fantastic option for people who want to have a go at trading a certain market, maybe want to get some more hours in, brush up on their execution techniques, so on and so forth. It just gives you the option to have a look at a few more different products as well. So first things first, what you need to do is you actually need to download some of the replay data. Now you can record live data for replay later, or you can actually download a little bit of data from the NinjaTrader server. So these are the instructions here for doing that, and yeah, then what you need to do is you need to select, when you're not connected, download replay of data, and I'm going to do it for the Euro futures here, and I'm going to also download the level 2 data so that we can look at the dome, and take some trades as well. Okay, I've downloaded the replay data, and I've connected to the replay connection, as you can see here on Ninja. Now, one thing to note is that there is sometimes an issue with the data that's available on the NinjaTrader replay servers, so sometimes you might need to have a look at a different day, or that's why you can record your own data. Plus the other thing is it's worth having a couple of days worth of that data there as well, I think, to make sure that everything's going to run smoothly. So we can see here that I've actually taken it very close, just a few seconds before the start of this trade plan, the Euro Trend Jumper trade plan. You can see that the level 2 data has populated the ladder here, and there's a couple of setups that we've had before. One about 25 minutes before the open, one about 15 ish. The closest one has actually hit money management already. It would have triggered in and hit money management, so that wouldn't be one that we could get in sync with. However, we could get in sync with this one here at 23, 136.23 short, jump line 9 jump, and I'm just going to show you, play it back and show you how easy it is to use the market replay, just to have a practice and see how the market trades. So I'm going to go ahead and play this. So at 23 we're looking for a stop at 34, so I'm just going to pop that. Just going to pop that order in as soon as I start playing. So we're right in there already. I'm going to stick a order in straight away at target 2 at 07, and I'm going to track manually what the jump line is printing. So we're currently printing jump line 23, so stop is at 25 as soon as we hit to target 1, the money management. Remember, we lock in 1 and then trail the jump line 9, whichever gives us the most profit. So we'll be locking in at 22. So this is a feature of this plan. Often recently we've been seeing very early morning moves and getting a good opportunity right off the bat. So we've not quite hit just yet. Just a minute into the session. Remember, it was really very much at the start of the European Cash Open and the trade plan. So we're nearly there. Okay, so we're looking at the last bar, so that's 20, so let's stop at 22. So we're moving that to 22, and it's actually moved again to 21. Still at 21. We'll move it to 20 if we just get that. Okay, move that to 20. So we're just waiting for 07. We've hit 08 for the low. And you can see that you're having to do this manually, even though this is the Trend Jumper Pro, because it's triggered in for this setup here rather than this one that I've taken manually. And of course, this is the thing with manual calculation of the stops. You're always going to have to know what exactly you're meant to be doing, just in case you do have to take a manual trade. So let's just see if we can get this target 2 and get some of the risk off in this trade. So remember, right now it is a risk-free trade, so to speak, because we shouldn't lose any money so long as we don't get a wild stop through the actual stop order here. In theory, it's risk-free. And of course, this is the replay. This is not a live demonstration, so. So I think that it's probably best to trade it in real time. I mean, if it's taking a long time to happen, then I mean you could speed it up if you want to. But I mean, part of trading is being able to withstand the long periods where the market's not doing anything and actually decide to do the right thing rather than taking just a random decision because you're getting bored or you're getting frustrated, you're getting worried about the trade. So let's just fill 1. So we're going to just reduce that stop, and we're going to move it to 19. Okay. So jump line is at 16, so it's running 2 ticks behind the jump line here. So if this closes at 16, this jump line, we're going to move it down to 18. And at this point, I am actually just going to speed it up because of the fact that I think that this was a bit of a longer trade. So, just in the interests of time for the video, I think I will do that. So, what are we at now? 17. So we're only at 3 times now. Should be at 16. And there you have it. That's the market replay function for NinjaTrader. I think it's a fantastic tool just to go back, practice some execution, have a look at different markets, and you know, if you have rough patch, rough day, and you think you've made mistakes, it's good to go back and actually replay that and try and trade it again and see where your mistakes were in real time. So I hope that you'll use it, and thanks for watching.